Take one side panel and one back panel and align them at a 90-degree angle. Make sure the garment hook holes on both panels are positioned at the top of the lockers. Position the side panels inside the back panel's ledge and use 3/8" bolts to connect them from the top to the bottom. Before connecting the last two bolts at the bottom, insert the extension leg and use a 1/2" bolt to connect the extension leg, the side panel, and the back panel together with the foot facing downwards. Use 3/8" bolts to connect the top, middle, and bottom shelves to the side panel only with the flat surface facing up. Align a second side panel and a second back panel at a 90-degree angle positioned on the inside of the back panel's ledge. Use a 1/2" bolt to connect the second back panel and the second side panel to the first back panel. Then use a 1/2" bolt to connect the top and middle shelf to the side panel and the shelves from the first side panel. Use a 1/2" bolt to connect the extension leg, the side panel, and the back panels together with the foot facing downwards. Lay the locker door next to the panels to ensure the shelves are connected correctly. Repeat steps 4 through 9 with the third panel set. Use 3/8" bolts to connect the locker doors to the side panel on the third back panel set. All panels and shelving should be connected. Place the locker door on top of the panel set and squeeze the panels together. Use 3/8" bolts to connect the locker doors to the side panels, shelves, and back panels. The inside shelving needs to be bolted to the locker door frame. With at least 2 adults, safely stand up the locker unit onto its feet and adjust the locker feet if the structure appears to wobble. Tighten bolts with a ratchet if necessary. Your locker unit is now assembled and ready to use.